Hey everyone! Have you ever been running a little late, hopped into a Grab car, and then realized you forgot your wallet? It happens to the best of us. Luckily, Grab offers a variety of convenient payment methods to get you where you need to be, fast. But what about PayPal? That trusty online wallet we all know and love? Can you link your GrabPay account to PayPal and ditch the cash or plastic altogether? That's exactly what we'll be diving into today's video. We'll explore whether GrabPay accepts PayPal, how to link your accounts if it does, and the benefits of using this payment method. So, buckle up, grab your phone, pun intended, and let's explore the world of Grab payments. The rise of e-wallets and the power of convenience. Let's face it, carrying cash can be a hassle. It's bulky, easy to lose, and sometimes just plain inconvenient. That's why e-wallets like GrabPay and PayPal have become so popular. They offer a secure and streamlined way to pay for things on the go, from your morning coffee to your evening Grab ride. Plus, with the rise of digital transactions, many people prefer the ease and security of using their phones for payments. No more digging through wallets or scrambling for change. E-wallets are the future, and GrabPay is definitely at the forefront in Southeast Asia. So, can you use PayPal with GrabPay? The answer is a resounding yes. This is great news for anyone who relies on PayPal for their online transactions. Linking your accounts allows you to seamlessly pay for your Grab rides and other Grab services using your PayPal balance or linked bank accounts. Here's how to link your GrabPay and PayPal accounts. Now that we know it's possible, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Linking your GrabPay and PayPal accounts is a breeze. Here's a quick guide. Open the Grab app and navigate to the GrabPay section. Look for the Payment Methods option and tap on it. You'll see a list of available payment methods. Find the option to add payment method. From the list, select PayPal. You'll be redirected to a secure PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials and log in. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection between your GrabPay and PayPal accounts. Review the details and grant permission. Voila! Your accounts are now linked. You can now use your PayPal balance to pay for your Grab rides and other services. Bonus tip, you can even set PayPal as your primary payment method in GrabPay for added convenience. This way, you won't have to worry about manually selecting it every time you make a payment. Benefits of using PayPal with GrabPay. There are several advantages to using PayPal with GrabPay. Convenience, no more fumbling for cash or cards. Just hop in your Grab and pay with a tap on your phone. Security, PayPal is known for its robust security measures. Your financial information is always protected when you use PayPal for transactions. Rewards, depending on your GrabPay and PayPal accounts, you might be eligible for additional rewards and points when you pay using PayPal. Check the respective apps for ongoing promotions. Budgeting, since PayPal transactions are linked to your bank account or balance, it can help you stay on top of your spending on Grab services. Final takeaway, embrace the e-wallet revolution. By linking your GrabPay and PayPal accounts, you're opening yourself up to a world of convenience and security when it comes to paying for your Grab rides and other services. No more scrambling for cash or worrying about carrying your wallet around. So, ditch the physical wallet and embrace the e-wallet revolution. It's time to experience the ease and security of using your phone for everyday transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.